What's up, everybody? Welcome to Production Music Live. My name is Guido. I'm from Cat and Beats, and together with Production Music Live, we've made another mixing and mastering tutorial. This was a little bit different though, because in this one we are only using third-party plugins, so that you, if you have Pro Tools or Studio One or Logic, can also follow along. And on top of that, we're also going to be explaining all the theoretical backgrounds. For instance, what's an EQ, how do you use an EQ, what kind of EQs are there, what's a compressor, what's mid-side processing. I'm going to also do shootouts between different plugins so that you can hear the subtle differences between them. Now, on top of that, this time around, we also got to use a reference song so that we got to mix according to the reference song. So that's a really fun thing to do, and that's actually how you normally do it. So special little shout out to these fantastic artists. So let's have a little listen to the track, and I'll see you in the mixing and mastering course. Cheers.